Hello, my viewers. Thank you for tuning again into our channel. I promised you once that I would bring you materials about biogas, and today I want to fulfill my promise, taking you to the biogas plant in Kenya, whereby we are going to see this tube-like or tube-designed biogas plant. By the way, biogas is a gas obtained due to anaerobic decomposition of organic materials to form a gas called methane. That is a gas produced due to the decomposition of organic matter in absence of oxygen. It is normally composed by about 55 to 60% of methane, and 40% of it is carbon dioxide. So guys, the production of biogas is carried on in a biogas plant, which is generally a 5-component item, of which there is a mixed tank, inlet chamber, digester tank, an overflow tank, and exit pipe. Organic materials like cow dung, wet garbage, dry leaves are mixed with water and forming a so-called slurry. And this is done and prepared in a mixing tank. In our case, we are going to use the cow dung, of which we are going to mix it here in this tank. It's called the mixing tank. So we are going to mix here the cow dung and to filter it so that no unrequired materials can enter into the digester. Then when the mixing is done, carefully the slurry is fed into the digester tank through the inlet chamber, this way. Yeah, so if it's the first time it is being inaugurated, the biogas plant, then you have to put in the methanogenic bacteria the reactor to inoculate the reactor, and this is done by adding cow manure, which helps to digest the organic materials. So the microorganisms act on the complex of biodegradable organic matters to produce organic acid. Then the methanogenic bacteria act on the organic acid produced to produce methane gas, that is the biogas. And the gas bubbles are normally pushed upwards, and they are collected in the dome-shaped reserve, which is normally it makes it to enlarge because of the pressure that it creates. Because when the gas is produced, the pressure is formed which pushes the slurry to the overflow chamber. At the same time, the gas itself is raised up and is taken to the kitchen where it's going to be used. So when the gas is used or is reduced, then also the pressure comes down, and then the process repeats. As the gas is collected from the exit pipe and the spent slurry is taken to the overflow tank, and this slurry is used as manure for the agricultural activities. The gas is then taken to the chambers or is taken to be used for cooking or for production of electricity. It normally takes about 20 years, this kind of plant, 20 years up or more time of life, and it costs about 100,000 to 200,000 shillings of Kenya, depending on the size of the packet and other things. But this is the full package. And here there is this bucket which is used to take out the excess gas. As you can see, it is important to maintain it clean, but never take your water out, otherwise all gas will diffuse outside through these holes. And there's this pipe, this valve that pushes gas to the cooker accordingly. So we are going now to see the connection of this gas to the kitchen to see how it is done there. So come along with me, I will show you how it all works. Here the gas comes, and because normally the methane gas comes with some liquids or some drops of water. So in this junction, where if there is any drop of water, must drop down to this through this pipe, and it goes up to here. So regularly, at least each month, you have to open this side to let the water free, so that to maintain the system always dry. And this cooker, it is used to control, to regulate, and to test if gas is flowing naturally or normally. Now, moving from this part, we are going to the kitchen, where also you will find also there is the same system, of which there is this pipe here down, which in case there's any water survived through the piping, it drops down to this pipe, this chamber, leaving only gas to pass to the kitchen to be burnt, so that it produce energy. So this is very important, that after a month or two, one must remove or open this cork to let water free from the system, so that you always maintain pure gas for the cooking purposes. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to add my visibility and also to help me to give you more about the lifestyle, traveling and tour in my channel, and become one of the family, one of the members in the family of Area 16M. So thank you for watching, and I'm preparing to show you something very important about the tags. Yeah, tags. I mean, boat tags. There are those kind of boats that are used in the airbus to control ships when they enter in especially narrow strips or in a very busy harbor. So you need these boat tags. So I'm preparing, in fact, a very good material about it, so don't miss it. Thank you, and enjoy your time, especially this time of festivals, Easter festivals. Big up.
24/7, 69/11, so you're making it, but I'ma just stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not taking over to your hotel, eating like a local, but you're calling back while I shut down.
Look at me biting my cheek, year after year, only gets better. I'm weak in the knees, with the sheets. You on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.